As we've already discussed, Ohio had been moving from the periphery to the center of U.S. politics before the Civil War, and then, of course, played a central leadership role in that war itself. And this trend is going to continue after the war in one of the most remarkable political dynasties in U.S. history, one that's often been compared to the Virginia dynasty of the early republic. Both Virginia and Ohio have laid claim to the mother of presidents title, even to the point of fighting over poor old William Henry Harrison and all of his 30 days in office. But even taking old Tippecanoe out of the equation, I'm not really sure it's a fair fight. I mean, for example, the Virginia dynasty has some of the most famous and influential presidents in U.S. history, including the likes of Washington and Jefferson and Madison. Ohio, on the other hand, has a bunch of beardy guys that no one seems to remember or know much about. Seriously, anyone here want to try picking these guys out of a lineup? Danny.
So yeah, you've got, I think we got McKinley.
Nope. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, and that's fine. That's the way it is. And so for that reason, I don't think that it's productive or instructive to fight over some unofficial title of the mother of presidents. Rather, I think the Ohio dynasty of presidents has some much more meaningful things to say about Ohio and its role in U.S. history that is not really reflected in just counting the number of presidents. In fact, as we'll see, it goes far beyond just the presidents.